was a wild and crazy 2018 for Tesla. From production issues to the erratic behavior of its CEO, investors' eyes have been glued to the stock. It's actually up this year. Joining me now is Wedbush Securities Equity Research Managing Director Dan Ives. Dan, you know, what does Tesla need to do to improve in 2019?
Look, I think a lot of it was about production issues on Model 3. I mean, they got past that sort of bogey in 3Q, but I think it's really about sustainability from a production standpoint. You look at demand, you see a bit of a pull forward on the EV credit coming out, which ultimately gets cut in half. Now it's really about Europe and China. I mean, that's really key for demand for Tesla. And also it's about Musk tweeting less and focusing more about production.
That's not going to happen. How critical is the Model 3 for their continued success?
Model 3 is the heart and lung of Tesla. I mean, fundamentally, they will not be successful if Model 3 is not massively successful. And we think, really, look, that's been the key. I mean, if you look at what's happened with the stock and how investors are viewing it, this is really the linchpin for the EV market over the coming years. And that's, look, if you're going to Tesla a $400, $450, $500 stock, Model 3 is the key ingredient in that recipe for success.
Yeah, and the hearts and lung to Apple is the iPhone. And Apple saw monumental highs earlier in the year, but with all this volatility, Apple was taken down. And it is in a bear market. So what does Apple need next year to get back on track and to convince investors that, yeah, consumers still want their products?
You know, look, I mean, there's a lot of headwinds for Apple. I think some of that's self-inflicted. I mean, when they pulled the iPhone metric on guidance that cooked it, that was a self-inflicted wound, and the street's still not recovered from that. But it comes down to they mispriced 10R, 750 price point should have been 600. Chinese consumers have really, you know, so far, you know, not been ones that have stepped up in terms of demand. They're about 10 to 15 million less units. So you really need to see price points cut on the lower OLED version, especially going 2019. And I think for them, it's really going to be about communication and making sure that the next cycle is not a disappointment so far like this one, which has really been a perfect storm for Apple.
So one question would be, there's always been a premium for Apple because they had the coolest stuff. They always had every new model brought on all these cool new gadgets and aspects. It seems to me the last couple of introductions really didn't do that. I mean, they were slightly better, slightly more interesting, et cetera, but did not justify the big jump in price. So is that an issue in the U.S.? Is it an issue worldwide? I mean, how do you view that? Is that a legitimate issue? Or?
That's a great question. And look, it speaks to just when you have 750 million active iPhones today. For Apple, it's about keeping that install base in their backyard, making sure they upgrade. And to that point, when you look at lower price points internationally, look at China in terms of lower competition, you know, and especially with Android too, you need to see upgrades move on Apple. And you've seen that every 3 years instead of every 2. So that's why right now it's about price points. They haven't justified what you've seen in terms of the hardware enhancements to those price points with 4 digits.
Dan, let me ask you a question. Is Tesla always going to be a luxury brand, sort of like Apple, or are they really going to make a cost-effective? Do they have to? I mean, BMW doesn't. Do they have to? Is anyone going to make a car where like an Uber driver would own it because it actually makes economic sense over a junky Camry, as far as even adjusting for the fuel costs and the maintenance costs and everything else? Or is it just a premium? Is the whole electric car concept a premium product?
Look, I think that really rubber meets the road this year because you look at the mid-range, the 46K that's coming out, and the 35K. So to see massive demand from a consumer, you need to see those lower price points. That's going to be key, not just in the U.S., but also in Europe and China. So this could get them through 2019, through first half 2020, but they are going to need to go down lower on price points to see the demand spike up.
Dan Ives, thank you so much for coming on this morning. We appreciate it. The troubles for tech in 2019.